Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss that how you can access Play Store on your Google TV. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So there are two ways that you can access Play Store on your smart TV. The first method is that we will access the Play Store from the settings. All you need to go is to the settings. You need to scroll down where you will find apps. You need to tap on apps. See all apps, and then you need to just scroll down. As you can see, you cannot find the Play Store here, so the next thing you need to do is to show system apps. This one is in alphabetical order, so you need to just scroll down to find the alphabet G. Here, so I will just scroll down, and here is Google Play Store. So all you need to do is to tap on it and then open. So this is the first method that you can access to Google Play Store on your smart TV. The next one is, so I will go back to the home page, and from here I will show you the next method that how you can access the Play Store. So all you need to do is to go to the apps, just scroll down and go to the search bar, and just tap on that one, and here all you need to do is to press and hold this key on your remote. Once you press and key, and then just say it, Google Play Store.
Opening Play Store.
So guys, this is how you can access to the Google Play Store by just simply giving a command. You can type in or you can just speak Google Play Store, and the smart TV will open it for you. These are the two methods that you can use and access to Google Play Store on your smart TV. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We need your support. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.